Managing large work sites has never been easy. The margins are slim, the stakeholders are many, and one wrong call can set production back weeks. But advances in physical automation mean it's possible to make better decisions faster. Propeller gives you access to the most advanced analysis and insights via our cloud-based site intelligence platform. Drone-captured images are precisely rendered, allowing you to see your site from every angle in high resolution and 3 dimensions. Improve inventory management by knowing the exact volumes of material moving in and out of stockpiles and pits. Monitor job progress and check contract conformance with a visual timeline. Optimize traffic management by ensuring that road grades, widths, and cross slopes meet design specifications. Use annotation tools to build and export detailed reports in minutes. Export data in the format you want to fit your existing workflows. Share visualizations, insights, and instructions with on- and off-site teams, reducing the need for site visits. Start making better decisions today. Supercharge your worksite efficiency with Propeller.